Today, for example, we're going to replace the engine belt. I want to thank Wayne Dempsey at Pelican Parts and all the people on the internet who have been so generous with their videos and instruction. Let's get started. Top in the service position. That means you take off your speakers. Make sure you clip off where the speaker attaches so you don't rip that wire. Then the rug. And then you're back to this position. Porsche says you can just take these off with a fork or some kind of prying tool, and you can. But they're actually screwed on, and it will strip them. There are 4 of them. So I say take the time to unscrew them, then you can reuse the old ones. With the 4 screws removed, simply pull up and peel away the carpet covering. Now, with the carpet cover removed, there are 9 10mm hex bolts that need to be removed. So I will do that now. I remove the 9 heads. Here's the engine access. Comes off just like that. You're going to need a 24mm socket to move the tensioner. The tensioner is self-adjusting. So unlike the old days, you don't have to undo the nut, move it, slide it back, and figure the proper point. It'll do it all on its own. Get it in there. You're going to have to pull pretty hard. See how it's tense? Pull, it loosens it. Get it out. Release. Take it off. You're in business. Now, some people would cut these off. I would not. I would leave it in one piece, as I've learned from guys on the internet. Great idea. Use it as a backup in case you're ever in a jam. Alright, here's our new Continental belt. Took off the old one, put it in a plastic bag for an emergency. Now, there's a number of ways of doing this. Basically, you have to follow the same pattern. As I had seen on the internet, and I think this is a good idea, is to put it down below the bottom pulley first. Then wrap it around where the V grooves are. Obviously go in the tracks, make sure they stay in there. Where it's flat, it goes around the pulleys such as the idler pulley, etc. It is funny because you'd swear that it was too long at some point because you missed one like I just did. Alright, everything's in place. Get this on, pull it. It's going to take a lot of strength to pull this on. And push down clockwise, pull, and you'll seat it right on there. I'm just double checking because nice. Make certain to follow the exact pattern. So, identical pattern as to what's in the book. Everything's nice and tight, as it should be. Now it's time to start it up, just to double check to make sure everything stays on track. Listen to that. Looks good, sounds good. So, I urge everyone to do these simple repairs. Oil change, oil filter, air filter, cabin compartment filter, all can be done. Just takes a little time. Good luck.